Hi and welcome. I am Abdullah, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can make some animation like bowling or something like that. And firstly we will just click on create and select shape, line, and draw some 2D shape and go to modified and select and go to max, and you will find a 3D shape like this, and you can come back to line and make it smooth and make them smooth. You can edit modified the shape. Move to animation stuff, and this is just a basic shape, and we'll make a copy from this. Just move and shift. We will make it instant. Okay, make 5 copy from this. Okay, you will change the color. And we will select all of them and move them to the center, and we will create a sphere just from modify, create, and shape, and create, modify sphere. And we will go to this and click dynamic, and we will just make sure this is dynamic, and we will change the material to, we will make it on, and we will make this mass 5000, and we will change this shape type to be concave, and click generator. If you don't click there, you maybe you will find some trouble. And as you say, all of them become same because it is internet, not copy. And we will create sphere, say sphere, just like this. And we will move it up and click there and make it dynamic. Material be steel, and go to down and change the shape type to be concave. And generate. And from advanced we will change the speed. We just make sure it's relative and change the speed to be 7,000 and click play. There are mistake. We have to change the direction of this. We will make it in -1 in Z direction and play. To make all of them 0 and we'll make in direction 1 is 0. And as you say, that's work. And the animation, it's really fun, and with more practice you will learn more thing about this. And in this case we can move this or make some change to be more make sense. We'll come back to this shape and we will change the mass to be a little bit heavy, or we will make it 1000 and we will and this and generate. That's it, and thank you for